Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my GoProFunnels review. We are going to be taking a close look at GoProFunnels in this review, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with GoProFunnels. GoProFunnels goes live on the 23rd of December by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a funnel builder that gives you access to create different types of campaign. Actually, you can create quiz pages. You get access to page builder that allows you to create different types of funnels, and then you get access to templates which you can select from. The front end gives you up to 50 different templates that you can use, you can customize, and these are already tested templates such that they give you the best conversions with affiliate offers. So this essentially is a tool that allows you to make money with affiliate marketing. You also get access to link cloaking, so you can share links on Facebook, on social media platforms without getting banned. You get access to leads. You can keep your leads, and then this also comes with autoresponder integration. This also comes with done for you traffic. You also get access to swipes. You get access to done for you email swipes, and of course you get access to APIs that allow you to connect this with your autoresponder. So all in all, this makes GoProFunnels an amazing tool, whether you are a complete newbie or you are an experienced affiliate marketer. Now I've put together some bonuses for you to get you the best results with GoProFunnels. The first bonus I'm going to be giving you access to my own email list. Normally, if you were to build an email list of buyers, it's going to take you time, and then it's going to cost you a ton of money. So I'm giving you access to my active email list of 1,000 plus subscribers, plus autoresponder software that you can use to start mailing this list for your own profit, or within a matter of hours that you get access to this bonus. Bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator with done for you bonuses, graphics, and delivery. You're going to be getting access to quiz page templates, just like the ones you have here, but you're going to be getting access to some other tested and professionally done squeeze page templates. This is a cloud-based software that allows you to build your own squeeze pages, and this also allows you to build your list inside the cloud-based software. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to a training from me where I'm going to be showing you how to use WordPress to build your own website. Either you want to build an e-commerce website or you want to build an affiliate website. You are going to learn how to do that, how to get cheap domain name, how to get cheap hosting, how to put everything together to work for you, even if right now you have zero experience with website creation. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that with WordPress here. Also, bonus number 5, talking about traffic, I'm going to be giving you access to my recently launched video traffic software that allows you to use other people's video. If you're going to be driving traffic, you need to get people's attention. How do you do that if you don't even want to create some attention grabbing content yourself, because it takes time and all that? So you're going to be able to use other people's viral videos, and place your own affiliate links on top of these videos. You can upload images. These images are going to show up on these videos. People click on these images, they're going to be taken to your link. You can add opt-in forms to build your list and ultimately make money with affiliate marketing. So this gives you access to viral traffic that allows you to get conversions and sales. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to Octagon. This is a cloud-based software that gives you done for you high converting product reviews with free traffic and also free traffic training. Also, bonus number 7, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing right from inside of your WordPress website. No monthly fees to autoresponder services like Aweber or GetResponse. And of course, bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of GoProFunnels. This is where you're going to be able to pick up GoProFunnels and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software So come check this out in your own time to get full information about this brand new ClickFunnels killer. Lets you build dynamic and profitable funnels in minutes without any technical skills, outsourcing, or ongoing monthly fees. Unlimited pages, commercial license included, and this is fully mobile friendly. So this goes live 11 a.m. 23rd of December. So feel free, come check this out in your own time to get full information about this. Once this goes live, you're also going to find proof of results right here on the sales page. So once again, this is pretty much easy to use. This is straightforward. You get access to done for you offers where you can actually pick, offers to promote. You get access to traffic source. You get access to analytics of your quizzes that you've created. You get access to funnel builder. You get access to page builder, which looks like this, which allows you to customize any of the templates that you choose. So that's my review of GoProFunnels. Let's talk about the pricing. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, but I guess you're going to, if you behave as if you want to exit the sales page, I guess there's going to be a pop-up that allows you to pick it up at $14 with a $3 discount, I guess. So that's the front end. Now there's some optional upgrades also, but even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my custom bonuses with GoProFunnels. So that's going to be my review of GoProFunnels. There's going to be a full demo right here also on this bonus page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.